I'm Max James, motivational speaker. You know about that, the different interview, different topics and motivational speaking, knowledgeable video. You know, everything you get from our channel. हमारे channel पर आपको बहुत सारी चीजें मिलेंगी. Mostly for the youth, you get all the topic and get from motivation from our channel.
Hello Laiba, how are you?
Hello Tyra, I'm good. Listen Tyra, we guys paper is done in math, so now we are finished. We do that we should to go restaurant for treat and enjoyment.
Yeah, we should to go, but you contact our friend who want to go with us.
Okay, I will contact with our friends. I will talk you about who want to go with us.
Okay.
Listen Tyra, which restaurant we should go? I think KFC restaurant is fine.
Yeah, it's fine, but it's so expensive. Listen, leave KFC and choose another affordable restaurant.
Okay, we will go Al Fajr restaurant.
Okay, we will go.
Okay, wait, I call you later.
Okay, bye.
Hello. Hello Mahin, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good. Listen Mahin, can you go restaurant with us?
Okay, which restaurant we go to?
We will go Al Fajr restaurant.
Of course, I want to go with you, but some personal issue with me, I can't go, sorry.
Oh, okay. Oh, no problem, not a big deal. Okay, take care, bye.
Bye.
Hey, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm good.
Where is Mahi?
For some personal issue, she didn't come.
Oh, finally we come in restaurant.
Yeah.
This restaurant is looking so beautiful.
Really? Oh, wait.
Waiter, please come.
Hello ma'am, welcome to Al Fajr restaurant. Take the menu.
Tyra, I like white pasta with mozzarella cheese, so I will
Yeah.
order this food.
Okay. I like biryani, so I will order this food.
Okay, waiter, please come.
Yes ma'am.
One plate of white pasta with mozzarella cheese.
And you?
One plate of biryani.
Okay ma'am, wait a few minutes.
What's your feeling about board exam? I mean, how much percentage do you want in board exam?
Nothing special thinking about board exams, and I want 90+% in my board exams.
Great.
Okay ma'am, what would you like to drink?
What would you like, Tyra?
I think string is the best.
Okay, bring me one bottle of string and 7up.
Okay ma'am.
Yeah, string is a bit hard.
Your drink ma'am, enjoy.
This biryani is so delicious.
Yeah.
Bring a waiter, please come.
Yes ma'am.
Bill.
Your bill ma'am.
Bill. Bill.
Thank you so much ma'am, come again.
Okay.
Oh, sure.
Okay, Tyra. Okay, Tyra, we will meet again with Mahin. Okay?
Okay,
Take
bye.
care.
Take care.